Good morning. Once again, I started. Okay, so anyway, I did one side. That was a little bit off there, but not a big deal. It's going to be covered anyway. So one side is done. So now I use this as a template. Now I'm gonna do this side. Yeah, because the rib is sticking out a lot. I put it like that just to have some sort of a backing behind. Again, I'm most likely going to build a counter here, so that's going to be behind anyway, so I don't care if it's not perfect on the bottom. Same thing here, a little bit of a gap there, a little bit of a gap there, a little bit of a gap there, no big deal. I'm going to put some panelings there on the doors, on top, to cover that insulation. And I'm probably going to still end up pulling these out from those doors and these doors, and just do a wood paneling and put the insulation inside the doors. But for now, I just want to get the walls done. The ceiling, I'm still debating on what to do. Either go with the paneling again or turn in grooves, so I don't know yet. So if I go with paneling up, I'm going to run some 1x3s, 1x4s, whatever across. If I'm going to turn in groove, I'm probably going to put pieces across those ribs to hold the turning groove pine. So it's getting there little by little. It's already getting too humid. Not hot yet, just humid and pouring sweat. But yeah, it's getting there. I finagled this camera here. It's not a reverse camera. The van actually has a reverse camera. That's one of those that you have on the windshield. So I got one facing forward, one facing inside, and this one facing backwards. So in case of an accident, rear-ended or whatever, so I got proof, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Like I said last time, I put this mat back on the ground, on the floor, on top of the plywood. I'm still debating what I'm going to do on the floor. I might even leave it and just build cabinets over it. I mean, I got reflectors underneath, then plywood. Then this is that gray foam, as you can see it there. Not foam, I mean some sort of a padding, insulation, whatever, in between this and the plywood. So that's plenty good enough for now. So yeah, I'm probably going to build the cabinets right on top of this. And I end up with a nice, easy floor here to just sweep or vacuum or whatever case may be whenever it gets dirty. So yeah, little by little, it's getting there. So just to give an update, so I'm going to put that last piece. I still got to trim one corner because this is not square. I might have to trim a little bit over there too. So just like on that corner there, let me see if I can zoom. See, I had to do a little bit of a notch because that comes lower and the sheet wouldn't fit, so I had to trim a little bit off. No big deal, So yeah, so that's where we are, and let's try to keep this thing going, right? I'm sweating. So anyway, cheers.